Are you facing the device type unknown issue on Instagram using your iPhone? Don't panic. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Instagram device type unknown problem on iPhone. So, let's fix it right now. Solution 1. Remove device type unknown. First, open up the Instagram app. Next, tap on your profile icon below. Next, tap on the 3-line icons from the top right corner. Now tap on Account Center. Then, tap on Password and Security. Here, tap on where you're logged in. After that, tap on your Instagram account. Now review the list. If you see any unknown device, tap on it. Then, tap on Logout. And tap Logout again to confirm it. Solution 2. Check Instagram app update. Open up the App Store. Tap on the search icon from below. Type Instagram. Now find the Instagram and tap on it. If you see any update option available there, then update the app. Hope your problem is fixed. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.